What's up, gang? Game time, and I'm opening some more Chronicles tonight. I have two boxes. I'm going to open one for this video and I'll save one for the next. Been having fun opening some of the newer stuff that's out, but so far nothing has really topped Chronicles. I loved it last year. I was afraid I might not love it this year, but I do. Lots of good rookies. I mean, having a good rookie class absolutely helps, but I love the variety of cards that you get. All the way they've put all the different types of brands in there. I really like this. Honestly, I think I like it even more than last year, and that is saying something, because you guys, if you really watch the channel, you know I have opened a buttload of 2017 Chronicles. Alright, I'm going to set these down and then we'll start going through them. I'm going to start off with a Yadier Molina. This is the base card, and I have one of these. And then we're going to have an Albies Score Rookie. Austin Hayes Classics Rookie. Good looking Andujar Contenders Optic Rookie. It's a good one to get. You don't get a ton of these optic cards in each box, so that's a good rookie to get. Here's a Devers Select. You don't get a ton of the select cards either, so this is a good one. Off to a good start. A Max Fried. Is it Fried or Fried? I still don't know. Rookie Reserve Material on card. This is a Cornerstones, numbered to 99. I really should watch more Braves baseball. There's no major league market here. The next close one is the Braves, and people here love the Braves, so I really should watch them more often. Anyways, this is really nice and it's on card, so that's cool. A Gohara Rookie Studio and a Goldschmidt Parallel to 99. Status what? I'm not sure. I guess this may be blue. And that's pack one. Alright, we're gonna start off this one with a base card of Cano, and then a Chris Davis. I think I have this card too, a parallel numbered to 99. Yeah, I think I have this exact parallel. Here's an Aaron Judge Limited. Arenado Crusade. This is just the base Crusade. You can get this in all different types of parallels, and when you do, they look really good. Ooh, sweet. A Gleyber Torres Select Prism Rookie. That is a perfect looking card. No wear, no, if I can keep my little fat fingerprints off of it too. Yeah, that's a good card. Gosh, that looks good. Here is a Juan Gonzalez autograph. Wow, I didn't see that coming. A Spectra thick stock sticker Juan Gon to 199. Yeah, that's a nice vet auto. He didn't get the respect that he really deserved for his accomplishments. I don't think he, was ever really a fan favorite so much, so maybe that's why. Here's J.P. Crawford Studio and a Devers Illusions Rookie. Maybe, I've opened so much of this now that I'm starting to forget what I've pulled and not pulled, but I don't think I've pulled very many vet autos, so that's kind of cool to see. Alright, next up we have a Villanueva rated rookie, Donruss rated rookie, and then a Delmonico parallel to 299 rookie. Stanton Rookies and Stars. Ooh, here's a good looking Reese Hoskins red prism. This is numbered to 199. This is a parallel, not only red, but I don't know if you can see like the wave. Really nice card there. Caleb Smith, Optic rated rookie. A Kyle Farmer Neon Blue Spectra Parallel, numbered to 99. Here is an Otani. It's very unfortunate. He's going to have surgery, but wow, he keeps hitting the way he does. They really should consider just letting him hit. And Urena Illusions rookie. And that is that pack. Another really good pack. Okay, we're starting off with a Rhys Hoskins Chronicles base rookie. Gary Sanchez. A Devers Rookies and Stars. Here's a Crusade Mike Trout. Too bad that's not a parallel version. Can't have everything though, can we? Here's a Molina Select Parallel Blue to $2.99. Alex Gordon Spectra. Guzman. What do you call it? Status. Is that right? Status? Yeah. And Stanton. Alright, down the last two packs. This one feels kind of on the thin side. Alright, we have Chris Bryant, base card. Arenado Rookies and Stars parallel, like a hollow full type. You can see it shining up there, numbered to 199. Acuna, I think it's the first Acuna out of this box, isn't it? Not two, it's classics. Here's another Andujar Prism. Nice card there. Oh, another nice one, Ozzie Albies Select. And then we have a Ripken Bat Classic Singles, numbered to 49. Another vet hit in here. Love Ripken. Look at the back of this card. This looks so good. Man, there's a little bit of wear right here, just a touch, but this looks for dark. I mean, this card is just gorgeous. This design, wow, good job, Panini. I'm telling you, pat on the back for that. Here's another Acuna. This is a studio rookie. And Victor Caratini status rookie. And let's open our last pack. I hate to see you go, Chronicles. Wow, glad I got another box back there. Two vet hits, a vet auto and a vet game used. Alright, a Verdugo score. And then we have a Ichiro Cornerstones parallel to 99. Good looking card there. Nice thick stock. Acuna Prestige. A Devers. Oh, I haven't pulled many of these. The Optic Contenders Hollow Prism Devers. Yeah, you can see it says Prism, 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 Prism. I don't think I've pulled any of these. Maybe one, maybe. Then we have Bryce Harper Phoenix. It's the only Phoenix card out of this box, I just realized. A Nicky Delmonico Panini autograph, sticker auto. Not numbered. An Albies Illusions rookie. And a kind of beat up, sticky something on there. I don't know if you can see it. Austin Hayes. I did request, I showed you guys one of the Austin Hayes parallel I got numbered to 10 that was beat up. And I returned that to Panini. I may do the same with this. Not that this is a major card, major loss, but you know, it just stinks when you get cards straight out of the box and it looks like this. It just stinks. So anyway, still, geez, what you gonna do? Another really good box. I'll recap the hits really quick. The Delmonico auto, the Ripken Bat to 49, the Wangan good looking Spectra auto. It's a little bit off the sticker. You can see the J. Yeah, it's off the sticker flat out, but still, I like this card. And then the Cornerstone autograph on card. I'm calling it another nice box. Obviously I've pulled bigger stuff out of this, like the some of the cracked ice autos, but I mean, this is still not a bad box. I'm very happy with it. I can't wait to see what the next one has. I really should just break down and get a case of this stuff. I've already opened so many boxes, but I don't know. Going on another little short vacation coming up, so I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you, and let me know how you're doing with Chronicles. I've been so busy with work and the vacations, I haven't watched nearly as many videos as I like to, so let me know how you're doing with it. Anything crazy good? Point me in the direction of your videos, and I'll check them out and see what you got going on. Alright, thanks everybody. Have a great night and take care.